Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my green bean casserole. So if you want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by filling our pot halfway with water. To that we're going to add a good amount of salt. Set it over high heat and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add the green beans and allow them to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, drain the green beans and set them to the side. Okay, now returning to our pot over medium-high heat, we're going to cook our bacon. Okay, once our bacon is nice and crisp, remove it from the pot and only leave behind 3 tablespoons of its rendered fat. Okay, now to our pot, we're going to add our mushroom and onion. We're going to saute it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, reduce the heat to medium-low. Here we're going to add our garlic. Saute for 30 seconds. And now we're going to sprinkle our all-purpose flour. Mix it in and allow it to cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add the chicken broth. Make sure that you're whisking as you're pouring. Mix it and allow it to begin to thicken. Okay, once we have that, we can add our heavy cream. Make sure that you're whisking as you're pouring. And here we're going to season with some black pepper and salt. And now just bring it to a simmer. Okay, so once it comes to a simmer, our sauce should have thickened up. So here we're just going to turn it off and add our medium cheddar cheese. So just mix it in there. And once our cheese melts, we can add our green beans. And here you can also add your bacon, but I like to top it. So we're going to do that last. So once we have the mix, we can transfer it to our casserole. Okay, so transfer your green beans to your baking dish. Make sure that you get everything. Layer it in a single layer. Now I'm going to be adding some more medium cheddar cheese along with my fried onions. And I love onions, so for me, the more the better. Okay, now we're going to take it to our oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes, I'm going to top my green bean casserole with some bacon. Now we're going to stick it back in the oven for 5 more minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our delicious green bean casserole is done. We're going to allow it to cool down for a few minutes and then we can get ready for the fun part. Okay, so after 15 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part, serving. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so delicious, so flavorful. This is my favorite way to enjoy my green beans, and I promise you're going to love it too. The sauce, the bacon, the onions, everything is just so perfect. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. I love it. So good. So flavorful. The different textures, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home. Make my super easy and delicious green bean casserole. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you're good with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me at any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.